Hey, Dana, and welcome to my vlog. And this is my life after 60, or at 60 right now. And I decided I was going to change toothbrushes. And I caught this in an advertisement on Facebook or YouTube or something of that nature. And I like the idea because of the fact that I still think using a toothbrush, you're grinding your teeth. You're grinding the enamel off of your teeth all these years. I've been blessed because I have all my teeth. I just have two caps. And I'm like anybody else. I used to like sweets. I used to drink Monster. I used to drink good old Mountain Dew. I used to love Mountain Dew. So I used to drink it all the time. So, you know, and then I finally got away from it. So right now I'm unboxing this MYST, and we'll see what we got. Plug it in. See what all stuff in here. I don't know if you got to add their special chemical here, or I can use regular toothpaste, or it's just that way, or you don't use anything. Let's see what it is. Alright, so that's what it looks like. The button right here. I don't know if it's working. Ooh. Yeah. do 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 do. Let's see if it shuts off. Where's your plug? Oh, that's right. It's a wireless charge. You don't have to plug anything in. That's what I was looking at a while ago. So it's inside so it's in the box here. Okay, there you go. There's your wireless charger. Ooh, USB. Is it plug in the wall? No. Oh, you gotta find something. You gotta get your a wall plug charger for this, and it is the old. It's the old style. I got a ton of those. So you're gonna have to plug it into the wall, and then plug it into this. So it's gonna be in the bathroom. You're gonna have to get a charger. You hold it 3 seconds, and then it'll shut off. Let's see, what do we got here? Just tells it. Food grade ABS. Yeah. Package includes a U-shaped toothbrush, wireless charging base, USB cable, manual, and the main unit body. How to use: install a U-shaped brush head to the body. Well, it's already there, so I guess you can take this off of here. Did I do it? Okay. It does come off. Or maybe it doesn't come off. It's kind of in there. Okay. So install the U-shaped brush head to the body. Apply toothpaste evenly. Okay, so you're going to use your own toothpaste. Apply toothpaste evenly on the inside of the bottom, the U-shaped brush head. For best results, in whitening mode, use a whitening gel or toothpaste. Wet the mouth tray, then insert into your mouth. Charging base usage. Please make sure toothbrush is completely dry before charging on the dock station. Yeah, because I do notice in my regular toothbrush that if you don't clean when you wash the brush off of it, make sure you twist it a couple, tweak it a couple times to get the water off of it, and then put it in its in its charger. Because if you don't, you'll get hard water rolling down the handle, and then it'll sit in the bottom of your charging tray. Let's see, when charging, blue light, power light will flash. Once fully charged, the blue light and power light will stay on and stop flashing. Okay. Alright, so other than that, protect the tray. Keep it in cool and out of direct sunlight, because it is a silicone. So do that. Let's see. Shoe tip is completely dry before you charge it. Wet the mouth tray and then insert into mouth. So let's see. Apply toothpaste evenly on the inside of the top and bottom of the U-shaped head. That means you're going to be using quite a bit of toothpaste, because you're going to have to get the toothpaste all the way around, So you're gonna put it around the outside, put it around outside in the center of it. So you're gonna be using probably twice as much toothpaste than you would. Who are you? Lebanon, New York. Don't know you. So keep that in mind. You're gonna use twice to 3 times as much toothpaste using this than you would your normal toothbrush. There might be a different, might be able to get better brand, well, I don't know, better brand of toothpaste, but I think I'm using Colgate right now. But it looks like you're going to use twice as much toothpaste, so that could be a disadvantage. But then again, let's see, anything else I need to know on this side? Apply toothpaste evenly on the inside of the top and bottom of the U-shaped brush head. Tips for best results in whitening mode: use a whitening gel or toothpaste. So I don't know. We're going to try it and see how it works out. MYST is a breakthrough in hand-free oral health care technology. Revolutionary 360 ultrasound whitening toothbrush. Improves oral health fast and makes your teeth remarkably clean while giving you your gums a healthy massage. Unique U-shape. Bristles made with a food-grade silicone, antibacterial soft material designed to make 360 design contact the gums and teeth. Used in conjunction with high-frequency ultrasound wave vibration, it can quickly and deeply clean surface between the teeth in all directions. The use of this product can prevent gingivitis, gingiviral, but gingivitis is what they were always saying. Promote a circulation of the periodontal blood and reduce the occurrence of periodontal disease. 4 operational modes. The one, first mode, first touch control is intense. The light comes on. First one is intense for deep cleaning. Second is a gentle mode, comfort bristles and for sensitive teeth. And 3 is massage mode to promote gum care and gum health. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And brightening mode is teeth whitening. I wonder how that does that. Just because of the light, maybe? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just the light. Okay. Let's see, brightening. Automatic memory function. Intel memory will automatically remember the last mode for efficiency and convenience. So now you hold it 3 seconds and it will go out. Oh. Careful. What are you doing, mister? Someone's got an upset stomach. And then, let's see, IPX7 waterproof designs can be cleaned and reused, can be safely used in bath and shower. Omnidirectional toothbrush, once activated. It takes only 30 seconds to complete a 360-degree full brush movement. Quick and convenient. Wireless charging, 300 can be used in charging. Used for more than a week on a full charge. Unit also has a convenient low battery reminder function and is portable and travel safe. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and charge this thing up, and we'll do a demonstration tomorrow. Alright, so let's I'm going to I'll go ahead and plug that in. I've got several different plug setups for multiple things. That's the old one. That's the newer one. You're new too. That's a new plug too. Alright, so there we go. We'll see. I gotta get a plug adapter. We'll see what look over here. Let me see if I got. Okay, so we get it plugged into. It's the old charger. Alright, so there's your little blue light, meaning that you have it plugged into that. Oops. Yeah, that off. Alright, let's see what it looks like when it's plugged. Wow. I'm not even near it yet. Just in there. Alright, there we go. Okay. And you can see it's doing its light blue blinking. Alright, so there we go. We'll let that charge up, get it fully charged, and then we'll do I'll do a demonstration on it tomorrow. So here we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, because anytime I get anything new that has to do with my health and fitness at 60 or beyond, I'm going to pass it on to you. So, okay, we'll catch you on the next. Crosby's Vlogs, my life at 60.